Today is January 19th of 2020. My mom has been wanting a conure parrot because we lost our little conure a few years ago, and I finally got her a little conure parrot, and she's gonna be excited. I don't know if I should name it, or maybe I'll just let her name it. But I'm excited. He seems very sweet. He was the sweetest one out of all of them. It could just be because he's shy, but we'll see. Because I know that these little guys like to nib. They nibble on you a lot, and that's just how they are. But we're excited, and the funny thing is, he hatched on November 22nd of 2019, but November 22nd is going to be easy to remember because that's the day my husband and I became boyfriend and girlfriend back in 2007. So yeah, just wanted to share. Here's the new little guy. Oh, actually, I've been calling him a guy. My bad. It's a girl. I forgot. It's a she, not a he. My bad. Alright, well, just wanted to share. Say bye.